Hello everyone, today we will be discussing about the topic which we have discussed in last video, which is called as God's plan in our health. It is New Start. We can just list out the abbreviation. N is for nutrition, E is for exercise, W is for water, S for sunlight, T for temperance, A for air, R for rest, and T for trust in God. Today we'll be dealing about the nutritional diet. When we talk about diet, the food, the thing which will be connected to the Bible, we will have some certain incidents. The first thing is Adam and Eve, they were tested with food. The next one, Jesus Christ himself was tested with food after his 40 days of fasting. The next thing is Daniel and his companion was tested with food. So from these things, you also know that in these last days, you are also going to be in a test with food. Most of us are eating food based on your taste buds, not for your whole body. In Bible, God has says that the human body is the temple of God. So you need to take care of your health. Health means it is not health of your inner organs or your outer body. It is full, complete wellness of your complete wellness of your physical, mental, spiritual, and also the emotional health. So all your things should be in companion, and it should be good enough. Then only you are called as a healthy person. So we will be thinking about the nutrition. Okay, nutrition. You will be thinking, what are the food we need to eat? When we buy a car, okay, the manufacturer has said that this car should drive with the use of petrol, not with a diesel. If you are putting diesel, also this vehicle will run. But after some days, some certain sounds will start. Some places the vehicle will not move on. So from that we will be understanding the manufacturer has set a thing what the car needs. Okay, likewise our body also set by our God Jesus Christ. So he had set certain things what we need to consume in our body. So what are the things? In Genesis it says that we need to eat nuts, the vegetables, fruits, and the pulses. And also in Daniel, his time also, it had said that we need to eat vegetables, grains, pulses, nuts, and also fruits and vegetables. So these things, plant-based food we need to eat. What is important in this plant-based food? Okay, the macronutrients are getting into our body in bulky amount, but these micronutrients which we need in our human body is get only by the plant-based food. The phytochemicals, these vitamins, minerals, everything we need to get it from the plant-based food. So it is important for you to take plant-based food. The next thing is how much food, so how many duration we should keep for each meal. These are the doubt will arise in each one of your mind. The first thing is about the how many times we need to eat. We need to eat thrice, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. If it is two also, it's okay. Then according to how much food for dinner, how much we need to eat, breakfast, how much we need to eat. We have a saying that we need to eat breakfast as a king. Like a king we need to eat breakfast. Like a commoner we need to eat lunch and also dinner as a beggar. So you know how comparatively how much amount we should consume food according to this thing. Okay, the next thing is the duration between each meal. We need 5 hours of duration between each meals, from breakfast to lunch to dinner, because this we need to eat this lunch, breakfast at 8 o'clock. Then you need to eat at 1 o'clock the lunch. Okay, In between you are not supposed to eat even a peanut, because these will stop the digestion process. It will lead to certain problems. It may give a reverse effect in your body. Some of the children or the students who are going too long their distance, they won't eat breakfast. And also children who are at home now in lockdown, most of them get up at 12:30 or 1:30 and they eat lunch and breakfast as brunch, and they satisfy with that. You are not supposed to do that, because it is very dangerous to do such an activity to your body. It will damage your body. It will give an reverse effect into your body. The next thing is what are the foods we need it in our body. The first thing, grains we need, but polished grains are not needed in our body. 5 white products are not white products, they are white poisons. One is maida, second is rice, sugar, salt, then milk. These 5 products are not needed in your body. They are poisonous things. Why it is poisonous? Milk which we are getting is not pure, or which is not good for our health. We can't put trust in any of this food. For example, I'll tell you, maida, it is an refined food. Wheat, all the fibers are taken out, and this it is made as a very white powder. Okay, how it is bleached? Okay, it is bleached by benzoyl peroxide. This benzoyl peroxide is an ingredient which is used in beauty parlors. Bleaching we use, those thing it is used. So how much danger it is. The next thing used is chlorine. These chlorine and these benzyl peroxide, these both will react with this food particle, and it will make a product or a chemical product called alloxane. It is very dangerous. When we consume maida with alloxane, it makes us diabetes mellitus. I'll explain to you. These pharmaceutical companies, they need to test the medicine for diabetes mellitus. For that, they need a rat which is affected with diabetes mellitus. So they inject these alloxane into the body of rat and make these rat into diabetes mellitus affected one. Solely they can test the medicine. Likewise, if you are eating more maida, you are making your body as diabetes mellitus, and you are going to go into an lifestyle disease patient. So try to understand what are the foods you are not supposed to eat. Please avoid it. Then you have a very healthful life. The next thing is fried items. We'll take this oil, fry once, twice, thrice, and again and again. Then this oil changes into an carcinogen. Carcinogen means what? It leads to a cancer causing agent. So if you are consuming this food, you are going to end in cancer. So this is also you need to put it in your mind. The duration of food, I have told you, you are not supposed to eat in between the food, because your absorption is taking place and also your digestion is taking place. Both time we need to have at least 5 hours. So in between you are not supposed to eat even a peanut in between the food. The reason is, I will give you an example. If I am doing my kitchen work, at that time my husband is telling me to do the washing work. If I am doing that washing work, my father is telling me to sweep the door, sweep the floor. If I will not be able to complete all the work, isn't it? If my workload is increasing. Likewise, if you are giving much workload to your intestine and your stomach, you will end up in reverse effect, means you will end up in other diseases. Your absorption will not take place correctly, constipation may occur. So we need to be very conscious in these things. When you put these things in your mind, you can have a better life. Better life means you will have an energetic life. Health is not only your bodily health, it is emotional, mental, physical and spiritual. So 4 things you need to put together, then only you will be a healthy person. We will be knowing these topics in later videos. I think this is an informative one. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me through comments, and I can explain to you through comments. Please do watch, and also it's not that you need to watch and just forget these things. You need to put it in your life. If you are changing, your whole family is going to change. It's there is a saying that 1 ounce of practicing is better than tons of preaching. There is no necessity of preaching. If you practice, and if somebody sees the change in your life, they will also change according to that. So it's your decision. It's your mind to take up these things into your mind and take a decision that I'm going to change, and I'm going to be healthy, to make my temple of God pure and neat, so that I can do God's work very strongly. So I urge you to see more videos. I'm going to put next video based on E exercise. So continue to watch. Thank you. Amen.